Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to have a look at this. I think it's quite an unusual tool. It was given to me by a subscriber, Steve. Thank you, Steve, for passing this on. I'll definitely get some use out of it. It's not branded. It has Chrome Vanadium written on it, but that's all. Now the main piece is this section here. It's like an extension bar. You could actually probably use it as an extension bar as well. You've got a 1/2 inch drive on this side, 3/8 on this side, and you can see there's a ball bearing in the center. Got this section here, which is 6-sided. You have a ball bearing on each end, and again one in the center, and on the end here you've got a 1/4 inch drive. Got an aluminium collar, nothing else to that, and then you've got this piece which has a female 3/8 on that side, female 1/2 on that side, and then it has this 6-sided hole here. Now that is for this bar, and what you can do is you'll see that it does have little grooves on the inside, and that's to hold these ball bearings. So it locks into place there, but we're going to put it in the center, so locks into place there. Now say you wanted to use your 1/2 inch socket, you would put the collar over there. There's a ball bearing, just holds it. So what that allows you to do is it allows it to spin on the bar, so you use it as a handle. It will slide up and down, but it won't slide off because it's being held. Now we want to use the 1/2 inch, so you've got your 1/2 inch size there, and you want your 3/8 here. So you pop your 3/8 onto there, and then your 1/2 inch goes on there. And you basically got a T-handle, a really useful piece of kit, I think. So you got your 1/2, 3/8, 1/4, so you can use any sockets you've got, doesn't matter. And it breaks down, so it's only very small. It's not like this in a bag or in a toolbox. It breaks down into small pieces, doesn't take up much room, but it's really useful because you can literally use it with any size socket. Now we want to use the 3/8 socket next, so basically you just take that off, flip that round, dead easy, that goes on there, and now you can use your 3/8 socket. What's that here? You want to use a 1/4? Okay, well you don't even have to take all the other stuff off. You just pop your 1/4, whoops, on there, and you got way more leverage than you actually need on that, because that's actually a really long handle, and it's nice and long, so you can get into a tight space or a deep nut. What a brilliant, simple but brilliant tool that is. It's great for any toolbox. You can use any socket, and it breaks down into all these little pieces, so it doesn't take up much room. In fact, you could leave that on. Doesn't take up much room, but really useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.